everyone, this is Donna Mac from Positive Projections,
Wait a minute,
and
Donna,
we are
start over.
here.
I didn't get you. I didn't know you were going to pounce in and say hello, so I wasn't
Back up, just back up. And my photographer, Sharon, is working. So we are going to do Dr. Yahki's Geogenetic juice today. And I have all the ingredients right here. And
could you tell us what the ingredients are, Donna?
Oh yes, I sure will. Okay. Thank you. So it calls for a thumb of ginger.
Okay.
1 whole lemon.
Okay.
2 cucumbers, which are take the skin off.
Okay.
A handful of parsley, a handful of cilantro. These things that get the metals out of the pulp, and celery, which has a lot of sodium in it, but it's also good for the heart. It lowers blood pressure. And we have our green apples, and we have cayenne pepper, which we're going to use.
Oh,
1
wow.
teaspoon of it.
Now, how many apples you got there?
7 whole apples.
Oh, gosh.
It's going to make it sweet. So, we're going to try this today. So, I have my, from the side of the road thrift store juicer. I don't have the fancy one.
All right, let's look at this.
We got side of the road thrift store juicer.
Okay.
And we're going to plug this sucker up and start juicing all of this. Hopefully we'll plug it up. It's going to go in one of these things. There we go. And then you turn it here. Yep, there we go. So the first thing we're going to put in is going to be, we're going to put the ginger in first.
Okay. So you don't have to peel the ginger, just put it in.
Don't have to peel it.
With the peel.
Sometimes they slice it, but I feel like I want to peel some of it off. So hold on.
All right.
We're going to take a little bit and just take a little bit off of it.
Okay.
So it'll make it easier. Because I don't have one of those fancy juicers. I got a not fancy juicer. I don't want my juicer to have to work overtime. All right. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. It's a hard one, so we're going to see how it goes.
There you go.
I love mine. Just lemon in next.
Whole lemon with the peel.
Whole lemon with the peel.
Organic lemon.
We're going to have some heavy fruit. Go ahead, cucumbers. That's a lot of cucumbers are one of the most watering fruits there are.
Okay.
And
for good hydration.
Parsley. Now this one, I see it's green. It's supposed to be that green.
Oh, that's beautiful. Love that green color.
Probably should put it down. All right, another handful of cilantro.
There.
Come on into our kitchen. All right. That's a leafy. I put on the leafy thing. Oh, I see too much burn out.
Put the apple down.
Yeah. Probably so. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of that in. I might put more in. I feel like a lot was wasted on my little cheaper version. And go with this celery. That was good.
All that good.
And another 3 stalks of celery. 3 stalks of celery. Not the big boys, the apple.
Okay.
We got to turn this on apple, which is right there, number 3. Uh-oh.
So,
You got to chop them in here.
okay.
Put it
Are we
on
putting
pause.
in seeds and everything?
Uh-huh. Now don't stop it on pause. It's not on seed. I can do it with small
Is it on pause? I can't tell.
It should be on pause. Slice these in half. And hopefully the apples will be what makes this a whole big thing of it. See, no, that's what they did. I'm doing the same way.
Seeds and all.
All right, you can get going again.
Okay.